Welcome to our channel. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who is passionate about farming and raising livestock, then you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner just starting in pig farming or a seasoned pro looking to improve your practices, we provide valuable insights, tips, and expert advice to help you succeed. Today's topic is incredibly important for any pig farmer: the science of successful pig breeding. Pig breeding isn't just about pairing a boar and a sow. It's about understanding the biology, genetics, and management techniques that go into creating a healthy and productive herd. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about pig breeding, from the basics of genetics to understanding the optimal breeding cycles and managing the health of both sows and boars. This comprehensive guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools to maximize your breeding efficiency, improve piglet survival rates, and ensure that your farm runs smoothly. Let's get started. Understanding the basics of pig breeding. Before we dive into the science of successful breeding, it's essential to understand the fundamentals. Successful pig breeding involves selecting healthy sows and boars with the best genetics to improve herd performance over time. But before getting into the technical details, let's establish a basic foundation of knowledge about pig reproduction. The reproductive system of pigs. The reproductive system of pigs is relatively simple to understand but requires careful monitoring. Both the boar, male pig, and the sow, female pig, play key roles in reproduction, and understanding their cycles is the first step toward effective breeding. Sows. Sows reach puberty at about 5 to 8 months, but optimal breeding age is usually between 1 and 3 years. The estrus cycle, heat cycle in sows, lasts 21 days, with estrus, the period when the sow is fertile, typically lasting around 48 to 72 hours. Boars. Male pigs reach puberty between 5 to 8 months, but similar to sows, their reproductive performance peaks at about 1-2 years of age. Boars typically have high libido and can mate with multiple sows. Understanding these cycles is essential for maximizing fertility and optimizing breeding schedules. The role of genetics in pig breeding. Genetics play a vital role in determining the future productivity of your herd. By selectively breeding pigs with superior traits, you can improve growth rates, disease resistance, feed efficiency, and overall meat quality. How genetics impact breeding success. When breeding pigs, you should aim for genetic improvement by selecting individuals with the best traits. Here are some of the key genetic factors to consider. Growth rate. Pigs with high genetic potential for rapid growth are more likely to reach market weight faster and more efficiently. Fertility. Genetic factors such as the number of piglets per litter, litter size, and conception rate are crucial for improving herd productivity. Some breeds are naturally better at reproducing than others. Meat quality. If your goal is to produce pigs with high-quality meat, genetics will determine factors like marbling, muscle development, and fat deposition. Disease resistance. Some pig breeds have natural resistance to certain diseases. By selectively breeding pigs with better immune systems, you can improve herd health and reduce veterinary costs. Tip: by using a combination of natural breeding and artificial insemination, AI, you can access a broader genetic pool and potentially improve your herd more quickly. Breed selection. What's best for your farm? Different pig breeds have different strengths and weaknesses. The breed you choose will depend on your farming goals, whether you're focused on rapid growth, high-quality pork, or disease resistance. Landrace and Yorkshire are known for high fertility and excellent maternal qualities, making them great choices for commercial breeding. Duroc pigs are well regarded for their meat quality and high growth rates. Berkshire pigs are known for superior marbling and flavor, making them a top choice for high-end pork products. Tip: understanding your farm's needs and market demands will help you select the right breed and breeding strategy. Managing the estrus cycle for optimal breeding. The estrus cycle is the most important factor to monitor when breeding pigs. Understanding and timing the estrus cycle is essential for successful breeding. Let's break down the cycle and how to manage it effectively. Estrus cycle in sows. The estrus cycle lasts about 21 days, with estrus being the fertile phase when the sow is most receptive to the boar. Key stages include prostrus, days 1-4. This is the preparatory phase where the sow's reproductive system is getting ready for mating. Hormones like estrogen rise during this phase, preparing the sow for estrus. Estrus, days 5 to 7. This is the period when the sow is in heat and ready for mating. She will exhibit behaviors like standing still when pressure is applied to her back, standing heat, and she may become more vocal. Meet estrus, days 8 to 14. After estrus, the sow's body begins to prepare for pregnancy. Estrogen levels drop and progesterone levels rise. Diestrus, days 15-21. This phase occurs if the sow is not pregnant. Progesterone levels remain elevated, and the sow will prepare for another estrus cycle. Tip: timed mating based on the sow's estrus cycle is crucial for high conception rates. If you're using artificial insemination, AI, make sure the sow is inseminated at the peak of estrus for optimal fertilization. Artificial insemination, AI, a tool for better breeding results. Artificial insemination, AI, has become a game changer in pig breeding. It allows for the use of high-quality semen from superior boars without the need for physical contact. Here's why AI is so valuable. Benefits of AI in pig breeding. Improved genetics. AI allows you to breed sows with high-quality boar semen, even if the boar is located far away. This improves the genetic pool and allows you to select semen from top-performing boars without having to transport them. Disease control. By using AI, you reduce the risks associated with direct boar-sow contact, such as disease transmission. Higher conception rates. AI allows for precise timing of insemination, improving the chances of successful fertilization. Tip: if using AI, it's important to use fresh or well-preserved semen and to correctly time the insemination relative to the sow's estrus cycle for the best results. Optimal boar management for maximum fertility. Just as sow management is crucial for breeding success, boar management is equally important. A boar's health, age, and genetics directly affect its fertility, which in turn impacts the success of your breeding program. Managing boar health and fertility. Age and fertility. A boar reaches peak fertility around 1 to 2 years of age and can remain productive until about 4 to 5 years old. Overbreeding can reduce a boar's fertility, so it's essential to balance workload and rest. Health. Regular veterinary checks are necessary to ensure the boar is healthy and free from infections. Also, ensure that the boar has a proper diet, is hydrated, and is free from parasites. Boar libido and behavior. A high libido is crucial for breeding success. However, excessive exposure to sows can lead to fatigue. So rotating boars and giving them enough rest can improve their fertility. Tip: rotate boars and limit their exposure to too many sows at once. This will help maintain their fertility and extend their breeding lifespan. Managing pregnancy and gestation. Keeping sows healthy. Once the sow is successfully inseminated, the next step is managing her pregnancy and ensuring a smooth transition to farrowing. Proper nutrition, care, and monitoring during pregnancy will ensure the sow is in optimal condition for delivery. Nutrition during gestation. Energy balance. During early gestation, sows should maintain a balanced weight and receive adequate nutrition. During the later stages, energy requirements increase to support fetal growth. Protein requirements. Protein is essential for developing the fetal tissue and supporting the sow's milk production post-birth. Adjust the protein levels as the sow progresses through pregnancy. Vitamins and minerals. Make sure your sows get adequate amounts of vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin E, to prevent metabolic problems and support the overall health of the sow and developing piglets. Tip: adjust the sow's diet based on her stage of pregnancy. The nutritional requirements will change, so careful planning and adjustment are essential. Farrowing. Supporting the sow during birth. The farrowing process is a critical time for both the sow and her piglets. To reduce the risk of complications and ensure a healthy delivery, farmers need to carefully monitor the sow and be ready to intervene if necessary. Farrowing pen setup. Farrowing crates or pens should be spacious enough for the sow to lie down comfortably, but designed to prevent piglet crushing. The pen should have clean, dry bedding and proper ventilation. Temperature control. Ensure the temperature in the farrowing area is between 65 degrees and 75 degrees, 18 degrees C to 24 degrees C, to keep the sow comfortable and reduce the stress of labor. Tip: monitor the sow during farrowing and be ready to assist if complications arise. Having a well-stocked emergency kit and access to a vet is crucial. Postpartum care: ensuring sow recovery and piglet health. After farrowing, it's essential to care for the sow and ensure that the piglets are healthy. Immediate care improves the sow's chances of recovery and the piglet's chances of survival and growth. Sow recovery: after the piglets are born, monitor the sow for signs of mastitis, inflammation of the mammary glands, postpartum infections, or uterine complications. Ensure she has access to clean water, high-quality food, and adequate rest. Piglet care. Colostrum intake. The first milk, colostrum, is essential for piglet immunity. Make sure the piglets nurse within the first few hours to get this vital nutrition. Umbilical care. Disinfect the umbilical cord to reduce the risk of infection. Tip: ensure that piglets are kept warm and fed well in the first few hours. Their survival and growth depend on their immediate post-birth care. Building a successful pig breeding program. Successful pig breeding involves understanding the complex interplay of genetics, health, nutrition, and timing. By properly managing the reproductive cycles of sows and boars, maintaining optimal health and nutrition, and ensuring good farrowing practices, you can significantly improve breeding success and farm productivity. Pig breeding is a science, and like any scientific process, it requires careful observation, planning, and continuous improvement. Keep learning, stay informed, and keep refining your techniques. With the right approach, you can create a successful and sustainable pig breeding program that benefits both your farm and the animals.